Welcome guys. Today we'll be looking at Cat JPY. If we can look, this is our highest high where we want to push, and this is our lowest low. So actually we're expecting market to touch here. So this is a possible swing trade. So if you look how it's been moving from this low here, it push up, down, up, down. So we're expecting another push to reach that side there. So if we can dive daily. So we know on weekly we're on a high trend, so meaning we're pushing to the high. So let's cater what's happening on a daily. We can see here where a strong resistance, here. Can see we had 3 touches from here. Market did 1, 2, 3 before it started shooting up. So this is a strong support, guys. This is a strong support zone. So we have another high here. We have a high. This is our high. So if we connect, let's put trend line from here. We see we have another first touch, second touch, and dash touch. So meaning we've been pushing up. So if we look on a current price, we can see market from here, it did push up, came to our resistance, push up, came to our resistance, and push up. So it gave us a double bottom. If you can see, we have a double bottom, which is a confirmation of a trend reversal. We had a double bottom here, guys. If we can check 1, 2. So we had a double bottom, which is a trend reversal. So what we can see is that we also have a W. We have a W. So my network is a bit slow. We have a W pattern here, guys. We have a W. So if you know how to trade patterns, we know if we have a W, we're expecting to buy. So where we are gonna take our buy here, this is our neckline. This is our second confirmation. Our first confirmation was this. Our first confirmation was the touch on our uptrending support. Our second confirmation was this double bottom. Our third confirmation was this W formation. So meaning we're going up. So if you can look out for another confirmation, what did market? It broke here and came and retest. So that's another fourth confirmation that we're going long. Also, if you're trading with candlesticks, we can see we have 2 indecision candles. This is the first one. This is the second indecision candle. This is the second indecision candlestick. What the indecision candlestick mean? It means buyers and sellers are equal. So if you see an indecision candlestick on a support, on resistance, you're expecting a trend to reverse. So your confirmation was this bullish candlestick, was this daily bullish candlestick. If you have a bullish daily candlestick after indecision, that means you're ready for buy. So from here, we're expecting market to push up. We're expecting market to push to this level because we have already 5 confirmations. So let's go on a 4 hour. Let's see what's happening on a 4 hour. This is what we see on a 4 hour. we see that market is also pushing up. So let me show you something. We have another confirmation. We have inverse head and shoulder, guys. Must be able to spot these patterns. We have inverse head and shoulder. You must be able to spot this pattern, guys. This is another confirmation that we're going up. We had inverse head and shoulder, guys. I know it's not picture perfect, but this is our inverse head and shoulder. Is another confirmation on a 4 hour. So if you had an inverse head and shoulder like this, so we're expecting market to come and retest neckline and shoot up. We're expecting market to come and retest neckline to shoot up. So this is confirmations that we have that we're going for long. So here we have a little bit of a resistance. Here we have a resistance which we can is acting as our neckline. So from here we're gonna expect market to come to this level, so it can push up to come to this level to complete the head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. This is another confirmation on a 4 hour that we're still going long. But you won't just take an entry here, you will wait for a market to retrace to this level. So it's another confirmation that we're still pushing up. Let's dive deep to 1 hour. We can see even on 1 hour, guys. We can see even on 1 hour, market is at neckline. So what we're expecting market to push, to come back to this level. So what we can do, we can push up. That's what we have on CAT JPY swing trade, guys. That's what we have on CAT JPY swing trade. If we can just remove this everything and do this, those are confirmations, guys. If we can do trend trading, guys, we can say we have, this is our trend. If we do trend trading, so each time it touches this trend, what do? We buy. So here it didn't come down. Each time it touches the trend line, what do? We're expecting buys. So let's put our trend line on top here. Our resistance trend line. My Wi-Fi is very slow, guys. But guys, you saw how I analyzed CAT JPY and gave you the confirmation of a swing trade. You saw how I analyzed it. So I wanted to show you another setup. We can put this trend line here to this level here. So what do we see here? We have first touch, second touch. We're expecting market to give us that touch here before it can shoot back down. We're expecting market to give us a dead touch. We know our dead touch is the highest probability. So we still have first touch, market went down. This is how market is moving, guys. This is how it's moving in this uptrending channel. This is how simple market moving. You can just open on 1 hour and you check how market is moving. This is how market is moving on your 1 hour. So we're gonna push to touch here to get that touch before we can start looking at for swing trade to the downside to respect this trend channel. If it breaks this trend channel, we will expect it to come to this level. If it breaks here, we expect it to come to this level, so it will give us a a large double bottom. It will give us a large double bottom, guys. This is CAT JPY swing trade, guys. I hope you do understand. Let me show you another last confirmations, guys. We have this downtrend channel. We have this downtrend channel. We have this downtrend channel, guys. Please excuse me, I'm analyzing with my phone. So when market breaks here, we're expecting it to retest and we shoot up. So if you trade in breakouts, you know, after every breakout you're expecting a retest. So this is high probability trade, guys. This is high probability. You see, we had an impulse and a huge correction, and this correction gave us a double bottom, and it went out, and it's retesting, it's shooting up, guys. This is a high probability trade. You saw all confirmations I show you, guys. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, guys. This is man of forex, man of men, the man who bought Bank of Inland, guys. Let's do the most.